pathways.
Now, still on education matters, schools across the country have continued to celebrate the Kenya Junior School Education Assessment results. Schools in Kiambu County were in a celebratory mood after impressive results, such as the Bethlehem Academy in Ruiru, where a majority of students scored exceeding expectations. The learners have expressed a strong emphasis on joining senior schools that align with their career aspirations under the CBC curriculum.
The people who mostly help in my achievements are my teachers and also those learners who helped me, and I thank them for that. Okay, my future career is to become a doctor or a surgeon.
I thought it would be a bit difficult, so when I was revising, I did it intensely. So when the exam came, I was able to do it with ease.
We are really excited today as we celebrate the goodness of the Lord, and our hearts are overwhelmed by the joy of the performance that we've gotten from Bethlehem School, both for my daughter and even the other pupils. They've done exemplarily well, and we thank them. This is as a result of their hard work. We could see their study, their commitment, and even the support that they got from the school and from the teachers.
Today we are celebrating the good results that we have achieved as a school, and this has come through cooperation and teamwork amongst the parents, the teachers, and our students. And today we are here to celebrate what God has given us. Being the first release, we were expecting good results, and we are happy because there's nothing else we can compare to. So this is our best so far.
Now, private